Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. After Effects with the Motion tool installed and a version project file, now open your comp. Create a 1920x1080 30 fps composition and import your assets into 3 folders for clarity. Once the files are in, drag a key graphic into the timeline and select the motion effect from the Effects panel. You'll see handles and a control layer appear. This first actionable step primes your playback and lets you preview motion snap. Now set up the rig and begin animating. Choose a motion preset or create a 2-node rig that controls position and rotation. You'll add keyframes at meaningful beats, hold, move, release, and adjust easing with Bezier curves to get natural acceleration and deceleration. Make sure to preview at half resolution so scrubbing stays smooth. If you need coordinated elements, parent them to a null and use the pick whip to link properties. This makes complex interactions predictable and easy to tweak. Finish by refining and exporting. Open the graph editor to polish timing, enable motion blur for realism, and pre-compose groups to keep the timeline tidy. Once satisfied, send the comp to Media Encoder, H264 for delivery, or a lossless codec if you plan further color work. If you encounter jitter or unexpected shifts, make sure to enable frame blending, reduce overshoot in your easing settings, or bake expressions to keyframes to stabilize playback. These steps close the loop and prevent common motion artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.